5 apologies that backfire. Why they backfire. And what to say instead. 1. I'm sorry you feel that way. Why it backfires. It shifts blame to the other person's emotions. Say instead, I'm sorry for what I said. It was hurtful, and I take responsibility for that. 2. I said I was sorry. What else do you want? Why it backfires. It sounds resentful and dismissive. Say instead, I want to make this right. Is there something I can do to help rebuild trust? 3. I guess I'm sorry if it upset you. Why it backfires. It's passive and avoids admitting wrongdoing. Say instead, I understand now why that upset you. I take full responsibility for my actions. 4. I didn't mean it like that. Why it backfires. It centers your intention, not the impact. Say instead, even though I didn't mean to hurt you, I see that I did, and I'm sorry. 5. Let's just move on already. Why it backfires. It ignores the need for healing and validation. Say instead, I understand this still hurts. I'm here when you're ready to talk more about it.